These people have made $82, $53, and even up to $140 in a single day. Today, I'm going to share with you a method to make money online using AI. It can even help you double, triple, or quadruple your income. The best part is, this method is completely free. No matter where you are in the world, this method is for you. So what do you need to do? It's simple. You just need to upload files and earn $14 for every file you upload. Sounds exciting, right? This is a secret that only a few people know. Stick around until the end of the video, and I'll show you how to use this method to earn big money. Now let's talk about making money by uploading files in 2024. The website we will use is called upforever.net, one of the best platforms that pays you per download. How does it work? You simply upload files, and the website generates a unique download link for each of your files. Every time someone clicks your link, you make money. Amazing, isn't it? If you want to verify payment proof, don't worry. Just go to the payment proof section and you'll see countless pages showing the payments that people have received. Everything is very transparent and you can check for yourself. Now we'll head to the Earn Money section where things get interesting. This is the earnings chart showing how much you'll make based on the country where your downloads come from. For example, if people from Tier 1 countries like the US or Canada download your file, you'll earn $7 per 1,000 downloads. But don't worry if downloads come from Tier 2 or Tier 3 countries. You still earn $4 per 1,000 downloads. Even Tier 4 countries bring in $3. All earnings add up. You might be wondering, how can I get downloads from the US or Canada without paying? Don't worry, I'll show you how to target this audience later in the video. One really cool thing about this website is that it offers many payment methods. No matter where you live, you can withdraw money with options like PayPal, Skrill, Neteller, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. And guess what? You don't need a paid subscription to make money. The free plan is enough to get started. Ready to begin? Here's what you need to do. First, click on Sign Up Now and create an account by entering your username, password, and email. After confirming your email and logging in, go to your dashboard. You'll see that UpForever gives you 120 GB of free storage. That's more than enough to upload tons of files and start making money. Before you start uploading, I recommend setting up your payment info first. If you're from Algeria, Egypt, Tunisia, Morocco, or Turkey, they have special withdrawal options for you. For all other countries, just choose Global and select your preferred payment method. Next, it's time to upload your files. Click Upload File. Carefully read the instructions, then select the file or image you want to upload. After that, just click Start Upload. Once the file is uploaded, you'll receive several different links to share. For this method, we'll focus on the download link. Every time someone clicks on this link, UpForever will show them some ads, and you'll get a share of the revenue. Now, on to the strategy. Go to the website freepillardownloads.com, which provides free ebooks in various categories. Now I'm going to search for Dog Care Tips. Why am I searching for this kind of book? It's part of today's strategy to help you quadruple your income. So, like this video and stick around until the end. As you can see, I found an ebook about dog care tips. Now, I'll download it to my device. Next, I'll upload it to up-forever.net and start my journey to earning money. As you can see, here's my link. Now all I need to do is share this link with as many people as possible so they can download the ebook, and that's how I make money. To maximize income, I'll share this link on my blog. If you don't have a blog, check out my channel. I've made a video showing how to create a free blog using Google's Blogger platform. You can find that video in the description below. Alright, now I'll go to my blog's dashboard and select New Post. Here I'll add the title, How to Care for Your Dog's Health. Now just come back here, upload the ebook's image, and copy the book's description. Next, upload the image and description to your blog. Now you need to place the download link so your audience can download it. I'll show you how to create a download button for your post to make it look better. Here's a piece of code, which I'll include in the description. Now I copy the link UpForever gave me and paste it here. For example, I'll place the button here, I'll mark it with VVV, then I select HTML view, find the VVV marker, and paste the button code here, and hit publish. As you can see, my post has been published. If enough people click here to download my ebook, I'll make money from UpForever. Now the next step is promoting your post. For this, I'll use AI to create valuable videos. Here's the secret. I'll use ChatGPT to ask it to write a video script about how to care for your dog's health. After getting the script from ChatGPT, I'll use another AI tool to create the video. Here, I'm using Pictory AI. Just create a free account. After signing up, you'll be taken to the main interface. There are several options, and with the script already prepared by ChatGPT, I'll choose Script to Video. Next, I copy the entire script and paste it into the required field, then click Proceed. Now just wait a few minutes for the video to be completed. The video is done, and you can preview it.
Hey there, fellow dog lovers. In today's video, we're diving into the world of doggy health. If you want to keep your furry friend happy, active, and healthy, stick around because I've got some essential tips for you. Let's jump right in. 1. Feed them a balanced diet. Just like humans, dogs need a well-balanced diet to stay in tip-top shape. Always opt for high-quality dog food that meets your dog's age, size, and breed needs. Include healthy treats occasionally, but be mindful of overfeeding. Keeping your pup at a healthy weight can add years to their life. 2. Regular vet checkups. Regular vet visits are a must. Even if your dog seems healthy.
If there's anything you're not happy with, you can edit and replace scenes from Pictory's extensive library. You can also change the voiceover or background music if you want. Once all edits are done, you can download the video to your device. Next, create a YouTube channel and upload your video, just like the famous channels. Don't forget to place the link to your blog in the video description. When your channel grows and gets more views, you'll start earning ad revenue from YouTube. Not only that, when viewers click the link in the description and visit your blog, you'll earn additional income from ads on your blog. If they download the ebook from your blog, you'll make money from Up Forever. The more downloads you get, the more money you make. If you want to optimize your traffic to boost your income, you can sell your own products. If you don't have a product, you can join affiliate programs and sell products from Amazon or other platforms. With every successful sale, you'll earn a commission. So now you know how to leverage AI to generate 4 income streams without needing any advanced skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.